Dear viewers, welcome to Manju's vlog. Today I am going to prepare a delicacy from Tulunadu region and a part of Udupi Mangalorean cuisine from India, Neer Dosa, and served with coconut chutney. The entire ingredients required for both Neer Dosa and chutney is mentioned below in the list. To prepare Neer Dosa, I have taken 2 cups of white rice, washed minimum 2 to 3 times and soaked in water for overnight or for minimum of 2 to 3 hours. This preparation does not require fermentation unlike other dosa preparation. Transfer the soaked rice to a blender, add salt for taste, add 2 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut and add water and close the lid. Grind the mix till it is finely grinded to a smooth and fine paste. Transfer the grinded batter to a deep bowl. Add water in such a way that if we have used 2 cups of rice, we need to add 4 cups of water. I am using iron griddle, also called as dosa kallu in Kannada. You can also use a non-stick pan too. I have kept both the iron griddle on the burner. Switch on the burner and smear refined oil or sunflower oil using an onion, as onion acts as a non-stick coating for the iron griddle, so as the Neer Dosa will come out very well without sticking to the iron griddle. The griddle is heated now. Pour the batter all over the griddle without leaving any space. Cover the griddle with a lid. Continue the same process with the second iron griddle too, pouring the dosa batter. Almost after a minute, open the lid. Using a turner, remove the Neer Dosa slowly and place it on an empty plate. Fold it into half, then again into a triangle shape. Neer Dosa is ready to serve. The best accompaniment for Neer Dosa for breakfast is chutney. Let's prepare a different variant of coconut chutney. Take half fresh grated coconut, 2 green chilies, around 10 pieces of fresh mint leaves, a small bunch of fresh coriander leaves, a small piece of tamarind as well as a small piece of ginger. Transfer all these ingredients to the blender as well as add the grated coconut as well. Add salt as well as water as required and blend it into a very fine paste. Transfer the chutney to a bowl. Now switch on the burner, keep the tadka pan, add 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil or coconut oil of your choice. Add half teaspoon of urud dal as well as half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once mustard seeds starts crackling, add 2 red whole chilies cut into pieces into the oil and finally add the curry leaves. Transfer this tadka to the chutney. You could see the flavorsome aromatic coconut chutney is ready to serve. The tadka filled aromatic coconut chutney along with Neer Dosa is ready to serve. Dear viewers, hope all of you have enjoyed this preparation of Neer Dosa and coconut chutney. If you like this session, please do not hesitate to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to receive automatic notifications once my new videos are uploaded on YouTube in the coming days. Thank you once again for watching Manju's vlog.